Okay, Sheikh. So, Sheikh, my concern is that, Sheikh, that I am on a break to lost my iman after watching people like Adam Seeker and ex-Muslim Sahil. I'm from India, and I'm very much. I mean, they are playing with my iman, and they are lot popular nowadays in India. So, Sheikh, how can we tackle them? My
I don't
question
know
about.
who you're speaking about, Najwa, but no one can play with your iman. If you are a true believer, your belief is as strong and solid as a mountain. Nothing can shake it off. But if your iman is originally thin, weak, and can be easily affected and impacted by any Tom, Dick, or Harry, then you have a problem. My advice to you is, number one, block all such links or means that would reach you through these two individuals or whoever is messing up with your head. Number two, go back to the Quran and the Sunnah and study them and listen to the trusted scholars who would cement iman in your heart. Number three, surround yourself with righteous practicing sisters who are following the true aqidah of the Salaf and who abide by the Sunnah and hold on to it and call people to it. And Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.